EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martins here with your outlook for the weekend, February 12th and 13th, 2022. The video forecast for the weekend is sponsored by Bozer Brewing Company in Easton. They are at 1250 Simon Boulevard in Easton, very close to Lafayette College, and fine purveyors of craft beer in the Lehigh Valley, and a very nice menu selection to go with that. So if you have nothing to do this weekend, I know it's the Super Bowl weekend, so let's say today, if you want to get out and get a nice craft beer, that is the place to go. 1250 Summit Boulevard in Easton. Our friends at Bozer Brewing Company proudly sponsor the weekend forecast video. So today we're looking for a mix of clouds and sun. It's going to be variably cloudy, though. You'll have times it'll be a little bit more cloudy than sun, and other times of the day it's going to be a little bit more sun than clouds. But I think once we get to the evening hours, we're going to start clouding over pretty quickly. And then we'll have, after midnight, we'll have some snow showers working in overnight tonight. And that's going to go into Sunday morning. Now, it's going to be it's not a lot of snow with this. It's more of a nuisance type event. And we're watching this closely. And we're still just 24 hours away, or close to that, of the start of the precipitation. There's still models disagreeing exactly where the axis is going to be of the snowfall, which is kind of interesting. The two that are most closely aligned are the 3-kilometer NAM, which is the one I use in the videos typically, the high-res future simulated radar for the NAM, and also the European model, which is here. There's some placement issues, again, with the Canadian being a little bit further favoring the interior. Canadian and RGEM are both doing that, and the GFS is far southeast. European model and 3-kilometer NAM are kind of in the middle. Okay, so I think that's where we're generally going with this. This is not a lot of snow. This is a nuisance event, so they don't get excited with this. But there is the opportunity for a little bit of snow as an upper-level jet sets up over these areas right here. This is not associated with a coastal low because there is no coastal low. There's nothing there at this point. This is just down the lead of a trough, and you get a little bit of added lift underneath that upper-level jet streak. And the jet streak is at the 300 millibar level, about 30,000 feet up. So it's generating some considerable lift in order to get to squeeze out a little bit of snow here. That's all this is. Okay. Once we get through the day on Sunday, this coastal low will start to form, but it's going to be way, way far east, and it may have enough of an impact to give coastal areas of South Jersey and Delaware a little bit of snow. But the question there is going to be more of a boundary layer temperature issue, where how much of it is actually sticking. That's really the issue across this entire area, because today we're looking at temperatures that are going to be very warm. 44 to 58 is a spread. Considerable spread today because the cold front's going to be moving through today. We have this cold front before we started off. This cold front is going to, at the beginning of the day, is going to be up here, okay, up in the morning. That's going to move from northwest to southeast through our area, and you have the temperatures that are going to drop off pretty quickly during the evening and overnight, so this starts as snow. But it's not going to reach our southeastern areas until very late in the day, okay, or evening. So you're going to have temperatures able to get up into the upper 50s again into places like Philadelphia and points south and east. But in the far interior, places like Williamsport, Selinsgrove, places like that, will probably only get to about 44, okay, as that moves through, the temperatures drop. So that sets the stage for this. And then on the eastern side of the trough, you have that added lift that I was talking about with that jet streak in place. So let's take a look at the NAM high-res future simulated radar. And I'm going to start this off at midnight. And you can see the upper right-hand corner of the video. We'll give you the timestamp of the video, of the image that I'm showing you. So there's nothing really going on at midnight yet. But just after midnight, we see some snow starting to work in. And it's about 2 o'clock in the morning here, as you can see. And you have some snow showers overspreading the area. This is, excuse me, not particularly heavy. But you have some light snow and snow showers across far east central Pennsylvania and southeast PA, all right? And it's starting to creep into New Jersey at this point. So much of the state of New Jersey and northern half of Delaware, northern 2/3 of Delaware, are getting snow. And this goes through the overnight into very early Sunday morning. This is 6 a.m. It's already shutting off in east central PA. Southeast PA is still getting a little bit going on here. But then as you go through the course of the morning, you have some lingering snow showers in New Jersey. And a parting shot here right along the coast right before that coastal tries to take over. It's going to be too far east and too late to really get anything going there at the coast. So there's not a lot of snow. And if you look at total snowfall from this is what you're looking at, okay? So generally, northwest of I-95, you're generally a coating to an inch. Somebody might get a little bit higher than that. That's possible. You might get like 1.5 inches down by Philadelphia. It's possible. But most of these areas up here, northwest of I-95, are going to be a coating to an inch. When you get down here, It's just from maybe along and just southeast of I-95, not including Atlantic City, not including Cape May, which I think you'll still be in the coating to 1 inch there because you have a white rain issue there, boundary layer temperature issues that will prevent some of this from sticking. But in here, this little swath right in here can get a quick 1 to 3 inches of snow. That's certainly possible. So we'll have that narrowed down today. We'll send text alerts for that today for those who are subscribed. We're going to wait. We said we were going to wait till last minute to do this because it's not a big event. It didn't need like 3 days notice for that. So we're sending them out today. Uncertain if we'll have a public map for it. I might just might post it, might not. I have a lot of things going on today, so we'll see what's going on. But it looks like it's just generally a 1 to 3 inch swath, very narrow swath under that jet streak over parts of Delaware and southern and central New Jersey. Okay, that's basically what we're looking at. Elsewhere, coating to 1 inch. And you get up here, northeast PA, north central PA, forget it. Even south central PA down by Harrisburg, you might get like a quick coating or something, and that's about it. Okay. And by the way, this is mostly going to be non-paved surface accumulations. The exception will be if you get some areas down here that are getting 2, maybe 2.5 inches of snow across South Jersey. There could be some slushy side road accumulations. You have to remember we're going from very warm temperatures today, today, and then you get tomorrow. It's going to be colder. It's going to be, the ground's not going to be able to recover that quickly. Okay, so you're going to have some paved surfaces that are going to retain some warmth, especially for how warm it was yesterday. But then we're going to be this is the spread of temperatures here on Sunday, 25 to 36 across the region. And again, the snow showers will be confined at that point to our far southeastern areas, and that's it as that coastal low tries to take over, but it's going to be too far east to do anything. So I hope that makes sense. Just another nuisance event going through the area. This might represent the last chance for snow this entire month of February, because we're heading into a milder pattern, and that's going to be true of this week too. Monday's still going to be very cold, though. A lot of areas stuck in the 20s for highs, maybe 30 far southeast. But then we rebound to like the middle 30s here on Tuesday, but we're going to be mostly sunny at that point. We're looking at dry conditions Monday through Wednesday of next week, but by the time we get to Wednesday, we're going to see an increase in temperatures by about 10 degrees from Monday to Tuesday, then again another 10 degrees Tuesday to Wednesday, another 10 degrees Wednesday to Thursday this week, and then kind of maintaining or maybe just slightly below than that on Friday. But we will have a rain system coming into the region. That's going to be later on Friday. Friday, I think you'll have temperatures in the upper 50s and near 60s. It's going to be very warm ahead of this. And you'll have some showers move in. This is going to be a rain event from start to finish. No wintry side to this. And there could be a steady amount of rain here. Not a tremendous amount, but a steady amount of rain. Mainly Thursday night. And then we get to Friday morning. This starts tapering off the showers and pulls away. And then we do get a little bit cooler behind this for the following weekend. But it's not going to be tremendously cold like we're going to be dealing with early this week. I'm EPA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is our outlook for the weekend, February 12th and 13th, 2022. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.